Welcome to Smart English Vocabulary. Today, we'll explore shopping idioms in a fun way. Let's join John and my friend Mike on a little shopping trip. Hey Mike, long time no see, buddy. How have you been?
Hey John, I've been okay. Work is busy, but you know how it is. How about you? How's your family?
Oh, they're doing well, thanks. My sister just started university, and my parents are planning a trip next month. What about your family?
Everyone's fine, thanks for asking.
So, what are you doing here today?
Actually, I came for shopping, but to be honest, I feel nervous. I don't speak English well, and when shopkeepers talk fast, I just freeze. It's embarrassing.
Hey, don't feel bad. Learning English is not that difficult. You just need some practice. How about I help you right now? Let's go inside, and I'll teach you some fun shopping idioms. You'll feel more confident in no time.
Really? That would be amazing, John.
All right, Mike, let's start with some fun idioms you can actually use while shopping. Here are 20 shopping idioms. Idiom number 1 is window shopping. Window shopping means looking at items without buying. For example, like we were just window shopping at the mall. Idiom number 2 is shop till you drop. It means shopping until you're very tired. For example, he loves to shop till she drops during sales. Idiom number 3 is bargain hunter. It means someone who looks for cheap deals. For example, my mum is a bargain hunter. She always finds discounts. Idiom number 4 is a good deal. It means something bought cheaply or at a fair price. For example, this phone was a good deal. It was 30% off. Idiom number 5 is pay through the nose. It means pay too much for something. For example, I had to pay through the nose for concert tickets. Idiom number 6 is rip off. It means something too expensive for its value. For example, that tiny toy was a rip-off. Idiom number 7 is cost an arm and a leg. It means very expensive. For example, this designer bag costs an arm and a leg. Idiom number 8 is break the bank. It means spend all your money. For example, don't break the bank on clothes, you'll regret it. Idiom number 9 is buy in bulk. It means purchase large quantities at once. For example, it's cheaper to buy in bulk at supermarkets. Idiom number 10 is throw money down the drain. It means waste money. For example, buying low-quality shoes is throwing money down the drain. Idiom number 11 is shop around. It means compare prices before buying. For example, always shop around before buying anything. Idiom number 12 is big spender. It means someone who spends a lot of money. For example, he's a big spender. He always buys luxury items. Idiom number 13 is splash out. It means spend a lot on something special. For example, I splashed out on a new watch. Idiom number 14 is retail therapy. It means shopping to feel better emotionally. For example, after a long week, she enjoys retail therapy. Idiom number 15 is tighten your belt. It means spend less money. For example, I need to tighten my belt this month. Idiom number 16 is living beyond your means. It means spending more than you earn. For example, if you buy everything on credit, you're living beyond your means. Idiom number 17 is foot the bill. It means pay the entire cost. For example, my dad will foot the bill for dinner tonight. Idiom number 18 is shopping spree. It means buying a lot of things at once. For example, we went on a shopping spree during Black Friday. Idiom no 19 is in the market for. It means looking to buy something. For example, I'm in the market for a new laptop. Idiom no 20 is worth every penny. It means something expensive but valuable. For example, this jacket was worth every penny.
Wow, John, these idioms are so useful. I already feel more confident.
See, I told you. English isn't that difficult. Just practice and you'll improve every day. If you enjoyed learning these 20 shopping idioms, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Smart English Vocabulary for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.